What if I told you China just announced massive 34% tariffs on all U.S. imports, sending global markets into free fall, but crypto is defying gravity? Bitcoin's up, Ethereum's rising, and one altcoin just surged 16% while everything else crashes. This is the emergency market update you can't afford to miss. What's up, Moonward Movers? Welcome back to Crypto Pulse, where we cut through the noise to bring you actionable crypto intelligence. I'm your host from Moonward Capital, and today's flash update is absolutely critical for any serious crypto investor. The markets are in chaos right now, but I'm seeing opportunities the mainstream financial media is completely missing. Let's dive in. Let's start with the bombshell that's rocking global markets. China just announced 34% retaliatory tariffs on all U.S. imports, effective April 10th. But that's not all. They're implementing export controls on critical, rare earth elements and adding 27 U.S. companies to their trade sanctions list. This comes after Trump's Liberation Day tariffs, and economists are now warning of a potential recession with a 57% probability. Traditional markets are experiencing their worst losses since COVID-19. But here's what's fascinating. While everyone panics, Bitcoin is showing incredible resilience, up 1.47% at $82,682. This isn't just random movement. Bitcoin is strengthening its position as a digital safe haven, similar to gold, which continues testing new all-time highs above $3,100. Looking at our market matrix, we're seeing some fascinating developments. Bitcoin's up 1.47% at $82,682. Ethereum's gaining 1.85% at $1,792. Solana's leading majors with a 3.76% jump to $117.22. But it's the sector rotation that's most telling. DeFi is showing remarkable resilience at 5.61% mindshare. L1S continue to dominate with 36.72% of the conversation, but DeFAI is absolutely collapsing, down 21.86%, the worst of any sector. This tells us investors are fleeing speculative AI plays and moving into established protocols with proven use cases. Smart money is looking for quality during market stress. Now let's talk about the standout performers defying all market logic. First, Cosmos, Atom, has emerged as today's star, surging an impressive 15.96% to $4.96. This rally is testing key resistance at $5.14, with technical indicators suggesting further upside potential. Atom's inter-blockchain communication protocol is positioning it as a leader in blockchain interoperability, a critical function in an increasingly fragmented landscape. Even more impressive is Grass, up an astounding 26.27% to $1.89. With a market cap now at $518 million on strong volume of $132 million, this project's focus on AI and decentralized data processing is clearly resonating even as the broader market struggles. We also need to discuss the dramatic FDUSD situation that's unfolding. First Digital USD briefly crashed to 76 cents following Justin Sun's allegations that First Digital Trust is insolvent and unable to fulfill redemptions. First Digital Trust strongly denied these claims, calling it a smear campaign and announcing legal action against Sun for defamation. The company burned 87 FDUSD in 24 hours to stabilize the market, and remarkably, it's now trading at 99 cents, nearly recovered to full peg. This incident highlights both the vulnerability and resilience of centralized stablecoins. If you're holding FDUSD, the immediate danger appears to have passed, but this serves as a stark reminder of counterparty risk. Looking ahead, here's what professional investors need to watch. Tomorrow's U.S. non-farm payrolls report at 8:30 a.m. EDT could be market-moving. Economists forecast 140,000 new jobs, below the 12-month average of 167,000. A weak report could accelerate Fed rate cut expectations. China's tariffs officially take effect on April 10th, with potential for diplomatic negotiations before then. Solana faces a token unlock of 636,985 SOL, approximately $80.5 million, on April 7th, connected to Alameda and FTX bankruptcy proceedings. Ethereum's Pectra upgrade has been confirmed for May 7th, introducing account abstraction and doubling Layer 2 capacity. So what does all this mean for your portfolio? First, Bitcoin's resilience during this market turmoil suggests it's strengthening its role as digital gold. Consider increasing your BTC allocation to around 45% of your crypto portfolio. Second, be cautious with Ethereum exposure as prices approach critical liquidation thresholds, though the upcoming Pectra upgrade provides a potential catalyst. Third, the deeply negative funding rates for Solana, -0.012741, indicate potential for a short squeeze if sentiment improves, creating tactical opportunities for sophisticated traders. Finally, maintain strategic reserves of around 22% in stablecoins to capitalize on potential buying opportunities as the market digests these tariff developments. That's your Crypto Pulse Flash update for today. Remember, in markets like these, timely information is everything. If you found this analysis valuable, hit that like button and make sure you're subscribed with notifications on for our next emergency update. For Moonward Capital's professional clients, we've posted our detailed analysis in the members area with specific entry and exit points. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on China's tariffs and which crypto assets you think will weather this storm. This is Moonward Capital signing off, helping you stay ahead of the crowd in these volatile markets. See you in the next update.